People used to be afraid of me. Talking to my sister, you know, a few Christmases ago, and I was asking, why, you know, you never used to hang out. Because you were mean. And in talking about it with my mother, I was mean because I was angry, and I was angry because I was afraid. So what you have to do is deal with the fear. The fear will take care of the anger, and the anger will take care of the crazy. The time to decide not to get angry about something is before you get angry about anything. You gotta have a game plan in place for how you're gonna conduct yourself, how you're gonna deal with upset. And you gotta know who you are. You gotta dissect where you're weak, what's wrong with you. I got a list of 20 things I know that are wrong with me. I own it. I love it. I relook at it sometimes just to make sure I'm on top of it. Now, you're fearful, you're angry, and you've been hurt. And you're afraid that if you do not knock somebody out, verbally or whatever, that they're gonna take you down. So that's how you respond. So you got to own that every morning. And then you have to say to yourself, self, today, just today, I'm not gonna get angry. Just today. Don't worry about tomorrow. And you got to let the first wave pass you by. I said, what I'm gonna do today, he says or does something I don't like, I'm gonna do like this. It's a ridiculous thing to do, but do it anyway. I surrender. Just surrender, not to him. You surrender to your better self. I surrender. And then you sit down. And you cannot speak until you're not angry anymore. You won't be able to do it the first couple of times. But after a while, after a while. And then, at the end of the day, you gotta debrief your crazy. You gotta sit down and a piece of paper. Nobody believes in paper no more, but I do. Write down, is this? My big bugaboo is worry. I have a list, what I worried about. And then I put a line, and that's it, what really happened. And when you read it at the end of the week, you feel stupid. I worried about this all day long, and that happened. And if you keep writing that down, I yelled at this guy about this, that, and the other thing, and it wasn't even important. You see what I'm saying? You need to work your situation. You need to handle your crazy. You need to handle your fear. And once you handle it and you work at it, because you can do it. You see what I'm saying? You don't believe in it. Knock that sucker down. You're strong and you're able, and you say anger is the problem, my fear is the problem. I'm not gonna live my fear. I'm not gonna let what somebody did to me 20 years ago tell me that the rest of my life ain't gonna be what I want it to be. I'm a bad chick. I can handle this. You believe. You with me? You're gonna work your anger? You're gonna work your fear? You're gonna fight your crazy?